Hey everybody, it's the Momo Home Mama, and ooh wee, do I have a good house to show you today. First, well, I'm at the back door, so first let's take a glimpse here. Look, we are busting at the seams with homes out here in Topeka, Indiana to be exact. Come visit me. So I'm stepping into my friend Miss Kimberly's home. She came all the way from Missouri to custom design her home with me, found me right here on YouTube. So this is what happens. She comes and visits and we get the perfect house. Before I walk in here, oh my gosh, we've done a lot of customizations here for a decent price. So whatever you've got going on in your mind, what your vision is, let's talk about it. I can help you put it to life. So coming into the back door, this is a 16 by 66 2 bedroom, 2 baths. She chose the 2 bedroom version, but here comes our first customization. Check it out. We got drywall. That's really just an option, not so much a customization. But here is our first stop. Here is an actual dining room, which we did a 2-foot stretch right here through the dining room, right here through this cabinetry, so that we could do some pot and pan drawers. So let me go and give you a different angle here. Look how big this dining room is. Beautiful. All white everything with some black appliances and black on the countertop. Now she's got her own dishwasher and she's got her own refrigerator, so she's gonna do that on her own. We removed the upper cabinets, and here's why. Kim is a very creative person, so she's gonna do her own, some floating shelves, some floating things there. She did an ice white on the backsplash, the upgraded European style hood. Now it's not white, that's a sticker covering it. It's actually a stainless steel. So we had to have a stove in it. So guys, the HUD rule is that we have to be able, well, you have to be able to prepare food in your home when it gets there. That's a federal rule. So we've got it, if you're going to, you either gotta have a stove, which is free, or opt for a microwave above the stove, and she did not want nothing to do with that. We were going for the hood range there. So stove it is. That's why it's still black. I'm sure she's gonna do something different. Here's the window. That's a standard feature over the sink, but she did switch up the farm sink here. And who made this home? You got it, Champion Homes. We are, man, if you ask me, we're the best. I'm a little bit partial, but coming over here, lots more storage. I love this because we've got all these lowers, all these uppers, and then imagine what you can put on there if you're having a taco night or it's Thanksgiving. What a great place just to set some things. Also electrical outlets there, so maybe you want to put a microwave there or something, I don't know. Coming into the living room, there's all her uppers because she did pay for them. They're part of the home, so we're just gonna ship them loose and let her do what she wants with them. We enlarged some windows here, 46 by 61s. One of my favorite things that she did, now here's the front door, so heading back this way, one of my favorite things she did, look at this. She put a 30 by 36 window in the hallway, and that just changes everything up. So let me turn around and give you the view this way. If you're a creative person or you see a floor plan, maybe it's made by a different company and you want the look, but we don't really offer it exactly like that, you can use your imagination and your creativity to create what you're gonna do, and that's exactly what Kim did here. One of my favorite people ever. One of my best customers I've ever had. Coming down here, bath 2, and I love what she did in here too. It's a little bit dark because we got a rainstorm here, but we've got, hi everybody. We've got European square sinks. I love that. It just gives it a nice modern look. We've got the ice white still in the backsplash. And we also trimmed out the mirrors here. Love is everywhere. We already know that. 3 bulb light strip up there. Standard tub shower in the second bath. Okay, I gotta walk slow because when we clean these floors, you can see them. They're nice and shiny and I almost fell. So here's bedroom 2, a nice, very large bedroom. Coming over here, wait till you see this closet. I know I'm walking slow, guys. I don't want to fall on my face. Look at that. Huge walk-in closet. So let's talk colors. Nordic white on the floor, gypsum on the drywall. And by the way, guys, look at these walls. Not a crack in sight. Beautiful, beautiful. That's how it looks when it comes off of our line. Now, as it rolls down the road, shuffles a little bit. You'll see some hairline cracks, but we do provide all the materials to fix that. So let's see. Perimeter heat. I just saw this little baby over here in the corner. Perimeter heat. And Lysola on the countertop. This is that textured black countertop we've got. Ice white on the backsplash. Destin white on the cabinets. She chose an actual hardwood cabinet. That's great. Heading back this way. I'm doing the single wide shuffle here. That's good. I'm gonna use that again. Primary bedroom. Heading over this way. Nice big walk-in closet. And our last bit of customizations is gonna be right here. We also did another 2-foot stretch right here in the bathroom so that we could add this nice linen here. And another 30 by 36 window and a garden tub. She wanted a nice place to be able to soak, so that's the effect of that. Also a reason we did a 2-foot stretch here. And then if you wanted to, you could add jets to that also. Over here, we kept with the theme of the square sinks, the framed out mirrors, 3 bulb light strip up there. This baby's hot off the press. And looking so beautiful. Let's do one more shuffle. So crisp and clean. Can you imagine a large oval dining room or even a square or dining table, even a square? Let's walk back through. We got some time. On the outside, we did olive green with lineal trims all the way around. And finally, bedroom 2. So, another beautiful home designed by the Mobile Home Mama, built by Champion Homes for another great customer. As always, thanks for watching, everybody.